Here I'm going to do a quick open box of the Samsung Galaxy S5 for MetroPCS that I got today. Just going to do a quick unboxing. I also got a outer case 2-piece that goes on the phone. So this is the box. As you can see here, 4G LTE phone, 2.5 gigahertz quad core processor. Also has the heart rate monitor, S Health, KitKat operating system, full HD recording and playback, Wi-Fi 16 gigabyte, 5.1 inch display. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. So you got the LED flash here, heart rate monitor right here, also right next to it, 16 megapixel camera, 2 in front, I believe, or 1.9 megapixel camera in front. It's also actually water resistant, so make sure if you get the phone, make sure the back of the cover is completely closed so no water gets into it on the back. So it comes with obviously it comes with the booklet, quick start guide, comes with the headphones, earplug attachments, headphones, a wall charger, obviously, and a USB cable, obviously. All phones come with chargers, but just to do a quick unboxing, blah blah blah. So this is for MetroPCS. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy S5, up to 64 gigabyte memory. I recommend getting this phone for Metro. It's expensive, but if you have the money, I would recommend getting it for Metro. But I see the LG G3 is coming out. It's probably going to be better than the S5, I'm hearing, but who knows. That doesn't come out until the summer time, so you can also get that for Metro, hook it up onto Metro, because they all take SIM cards now, since T-Mobile and Metro are combined. But if you have any questions, comments, leave below. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks guys for watching my video. And I also have a group on my Facebook page. So I'm always adding people. So if you got any questions with that, you can always latest news, updates, and etc. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S5 for MetroPCS. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.